All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. Last year, Samsung didn't just slim down a phone. They quietly removed a core identity feature, and that decision revealed how fragile the balance is between design and functionality. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just bringing something back. It's redefining how foldables choose between thinness and power. Let's dive right into the video, because this isn't about nostalgia. It's about strategy. When Samsung pulled S Pen support from the previous Fold, it felt cosmetic on paper, but personal in practice. For power users, the stylus wasn't an accessory. It was the reason to justify the price. Behind the scenes, the issue wasn't the pen itself. It was the digitizer layer embedded beneath the display. That extra layer adds measurable thickness. Remove it, and the phone gets slimmer. Keep it, and productivity stays intact. Last year, thinness won. But here's where things shift. In an official statement backed by reporting from Android Authority and comments from W. Jun Choi, Samsung confirmed the S Pen wasn't scrapped. It was a trade-off. That wording matters. Trade-offs are temporary. Cancellations are permanent. Now, everything pointing toward the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 suggests the pen returns, but not through the old method. Multiple industry sources indicate Samsung has been developing a new stylus input system that doesn't rely on the traditional digitizer stack. If that's true, it's not just a feature comeback. It's engineering evolution. Side by side, imagine last year's Fold. Thinner, lighter, cleaner, but missing that creative edge. Now picture the Fold 8 retaining that slim profile while restoring pen support. That's not incremental. That's correction. And Samsung isn't stopping at the pen. The display itself is reportedly evolving with something called Flex Magic Pixel, first seen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This isn't a basic privacy filter. It's pixel-level light control. Instead of dimming your screen in public, it narrows viewing angles selectively. The person in front sees full brightness. The person beside you sees almost nothing. Think about what that signals. Foldables are productivity machines, but they've always been privacy nightmares in public spaces. Samsung knows their target user isn't just streaming videos. They're signing contracts, reviewing spreadsheets, checking bank apps. A giant open display attracts attention. Flex Magic Pixel quietly reduces that exposure without sacrificing clarity. Now layer these two moves together. A redesigned pen system plus adaptive privacy hardware. That's not random. That's Samsung repositioning the Fold as a serious work device again, not just a futuristic flex. Quick side note, because a lot of you ask how I keep up with all these layered changes without missing the details. I've been using Walverse to organize tech reports and executive interviews into clean breakdowns. It helps filter noise from substance so you actually understand what's strategy versus marketing. I'll leave it linked if you want to research smarter, not louder. Back to the bigger picture. If Samsung truly eliminates the thickness penalty of stylus support, that sets a precedent. Future Galaxy foldables won't have to sacrifice productivity for aesthetics, and that could ripple across the entire lineup. Here's something else interesting. Over 70% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you're into this deeper breakdown style, the why behind the spec, subscribe and join the community. This channel isn't about hype. It's about understanding what companies are really doing. Because let's be honest, the Fold line has always felt like a compromise somewhere. Too thick, too delicate, too experimental. But if the Fold 8 restores the pen without bulk and adds intelligent privacy control, we might be looking at the first Fold that doesn't feel like it's missing something. And if Samsung pulls that off here, what stops them from pushing even further next year? Internal pen storage, thinner hinges, adaptive displays across the entire Galaxy lineup? Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.